There are many opportunities for fun on this day off in Trieste.
We just came from the boat, so we are here for a day.
Where do you visit us from?
Montreal.
Both of you.
No.
You?
Istanbul.
Tourists for the day and looking at all the interesting vintage and collectibles. New Zealand.
Do you live here or just visiting?
No, I'm just visiting. I'm on the cruise ship.
Coins. My husband loves to collect coins. US dollars, euros, anything old.
Where do you visit us from?
Australia, Sydney.
Surprised our parents today. They were on a cruise and we flew from Australia to surprise them on their holiday.
Just looking around, Nothing specific, but there's some a lot of interesting thing here.
I was looking for little necklaces for my little granddaughter from Athens, Georgia. I don't think he wants to look at the same things I want to look at.
So something you would like to visit in Trieste today?
I have no idea.
I just saw the museum and it looked like there was a fashion
museum.
museum.
So interesting. Yeah.
Yes.
Uh-huh.